Hi guys, it's Dara here, a 40 medical student. Welcome to my new subscribers. You guys are the best. So this vlog, we're just going to be trying to be all productive and you get. So today we didn't really have any lectures going on today. No lectures at all. So I was just indoors reading, sleeping. Of course I have to sleep. So yeah, I just brought in my clothes earlier because I washed like earlier. So I just have to bring them in, to hang it. I'm not going to do any ironing. Okay, it's for the weekend. No, weekends are for ironing. So if you haven't seen my video on how to get prepared or get ready for the week, check my channel for that. Okay, because weekends is when we get to sort out all those stuffs. Okay, so in this video we're just going to be trying I'm going to be trying to be productive, to make every minute count, to make every moment count, because time waits for no one. Like, this year we said no grief for anybody, like no grief for anybody. So no grief for yourself. If yourself one door, no grief. No grief, please. So this is just the night, and I'll try to tidy myself up. This is around 9 o'clock, so just tidy myself up, do some things. I think now I'm gonna have my bag because I'll like get my clothes back in my closet. So now to just go have my bath, and you guys are definitely coming along with me because why not? My visitor came today, like you guys know what the visitor means for girls, right? So I didn't like have the strength to cook throughout today. I was so tired, like I felt so down. You know how these things happen. So I couldn't cook anything, I couldn't get up to buy anything, and I was just like on my bed, sleeping, trying to read and all of that. So someone just got for me tonight, and I'm grateful. Thank you so much. So guys, I am done bathing, and like they've taken the light now. I don't know why, but these days they've been taking like they've often the gen, there's hostel gen quite early. It's usually by 12 o'clock, but now they're often it around all the time. They took it by after 10 to 11, when it's usually meant to be to stay by 12 o'clock. You won't blame them because the inflation in this economy is like something else. Despite the light, I'll still try to read something tonight. I'm reading pharmacology, just like pharmacology is very bulk. I was very bulky. So that's what I'm going to be reading and completing like my notes that I didn't complete last time and all of that. For today's study, we're going to be using a gum, okay, center fruit. Sometimes the gum works for me, sometimes it doesn't. So I think this is one of the nights it's going to be working, because I'm planning to stay awake to like around 1 2, okay, just to make good use of my time, something like that. So if you actually use gum to study, let us know in the comment section if it works for you, if you're okay with that. Like sometimes when you use gum to study, sometimes to me it feels like a distraction. Like my brain is trying to process what I'm reading. My brain is also trying to, move my teeth and all of that. I'm sleepy. Like you can see it in my eyes, say that I'm sleepy, and the time is currently to 1. I want to sleep honestly. Though I'm not yet done with what I want to do, but sleep. So I'll see you guys in the morning.
Early the next morning.
Good morning. Yeah, this is a Friday morning, and up to now, my course trip have not like posted any lecture updates. This is currently 7:42. That is to 8. I woke up some couple of hours ago, though I slept late, and I woke up around 6 o'clock. I slept around 1. I woke up around 6 o'clock this morning, and there's no lecture update. So I think it's safe to say no lectures for today. And who doesn't need that? Okay. So since there's no lecture today, meaning I have to make use of every time I get to have today. Okay. Though last night I didn't really get to finish what I was reading because sleep came and I had to conquer, and it conquered me, and I gave in. Okay, you guys, I am tired. Like, this is around 11 o'clock in the morning, and I just finished reading what I wanted to read, what I'm supposed to read for now. Okay, and I've not even done anything. No, like I've not even had my brushed, cleaned my room, and all of that. So I'm just going to go ahead to do all of that now before I probably get something cooking. Just look at my eyes. Just look at my eye bags. I look very tired.
Our hearts beat to the city streets. We began to feel the fire. We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals they take us higher. The night's young and it's just begun.
I'm done sweeping and mopping my room and also washing out my dirty pots. So right now I have hot water on fire because I want to cook macaroni, this twist, okay, golden penny pasta twist. Like, what is even the difference between pasta and spaghetti and macaroni? Like, I don't know. To me, I think all of them are like pasta. Then we now have different types. Okay, that is macaroni and um this spaghetti. Okay, the same way we have noodles, and then like noodles is like a general name, and they wanna have indomie, um golden penny, indomie, those other types. Okay,
As she puts her hand in mine, we wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull the stars from the
I really don't like this Fefa Life puppy drink that much because of the fibers inside. Like, I don't really like the feel it will give me. People will say, it's not orange, don't you take fiber like those fiber stuff in orange, don't you like orange? But then I don't really like the feel of eating this though. It's not that bad. Apparently, this should be my lunch and breakfast, my morning and afternoon food. Because the time this is currently, wow, this is 13:53. That is to 2. Okay, that is 7 minutes to 2, and I'm just having breakfast and lunch. So right now it doesn't even feel so soft because I didn't like parboil it for a long period of time. Despite after making the sauce and still putting it on the fire for it to mix up, it still feels a bit, it still has that hard feeling kind of. Imagine when you're not parboiling the macaroni to when to the extent it gets too soft and then you now start mixing up everything again. My dear, you are just in for baby food because it's just baby food you're going to be eating. With how soft the macaroni will become, once you just put it into your mouth, it will just melt. Like, it will literally just melt. And right now I want to go see my friend like upstairs. She's in 500 level, going to 600 level, like final year, and they just had classes now. And they came back. So I just want to go say hi, all of that. And you guys, this is my hair. I'm getting rid of this hair today because I'm not even understanding again. I'll just try to loosen up my micro twist and I'll know what next. Like, I've loosened this part and combed this part and made it into this long braid, and this is what just came out. Yeah, the loss is not really that much. Whenever you're trying to lose your braid or whatever twist you make to your natural hair, always use a conditioner, to help detangle it to avoid much hair loss. This is what came out from the other part, like this part of my hair. I think the first one is even much, like the hair breakage was even much. So this is what came out. And this is the way my hair is going to be packed. I think I might be going to the market tomorrow being Saturday. So this hair is just going to be packed. I might just tie scarf or something till when I am ready to make it. Hey you all, yeah, this is already evening and we already have lights. Right now, you guys, today I know this video is going to come like after a while of the event that happened today. You get. So today, I think Moses Bliss, the gospel artist, just engaged his girlfriend. That he went to London to engage her and all of that. And right now, that event, I mean, this occasion has been the talk of the town, talk of the internet. Like everybody's wow because of like the engagement, the practical is wow. Like it's so modest, it's so decent, it's giving everything 100%, 10/10. Like the woman, her she in her feminine aura, like the engagement is so beautiful. Like congrats to Mrs. Bliss and his Ghanaian girlfriend. Congrats to them and like it was everything. Like what even baffled me was now when he now brought like he was now like showing us the ring he got for the girl. He now started like speaking in tongues like he already knew the deal he came to sign, the deal he came to close up and more. It has to be backed up with the Holy Spirit or nothing. Like that decision, that important event in your life. Like more everything we do in this life was supposed to be involving God. Like we're meant to be involving Jesus Christ to be in the front of everything we do, every decisions we make, every I'm preaching to you guys out here. Anyways, right now I just want to go eat spaghetti. Okay, I'm going to eat spaghetti. Spaghetti I made, sorry, macaroni I made earlier. Have my bath. Come back to my books. So guys, I really don't know why they've been taking like our hostel, offering our hostel gym quite early. This is like after 11, and the light is already off. And I really like had all some things to do with the light, like reading. Because once they take light, I don't know, it feels as if everywhere starts becoming dull, everywhere starts to darken, and somehow, it not affects my being energetic, something like that. And before you know it, sleep comes. So, you guys, there's this pimple that's coming out by my forehead. So, I'll just have to do like something before I sleep, before I call it today. And in this vlog, I just try to be productive, make proper use of my time, make sure that I achieved what I wanted to, or I ticked my to-do list. Okay, so today I hope that I will clean and move my room, obviously finish the PDF I already like started like 2 days ago, and cook something and vlog as well. I think I achieved all these and I'm good to go. I'm happy that at least I made proper use of today, though we don't really have classes. Click the red subscribe button if you haven't. Please click the red subscribe button, become part of the D's family. If you have any other name that can suit like a community like this, like from Dera's Corner, something like I can call my family like on here in general. I came up with this family. So if you have another one, do let me know in the comment section. So this family, if you're watching this, you're part of the family. From my analytics, I see that sometimes most of my views come from non-subscribed, no, non-subscribed members. So please click the red subscribe button below. Like this video because I'm helping you to push out this video to many other persons. And please comment, just drop something in the comment section, okay? I'm pretty, I know, drop it in the comment section. See you guys in my next video.